A lot of people ask, what do you expect when a window or contractor comes to your home today? Well, the first thing you're going to see is our guys roll up with all their equipment and tools. We do a meticulous job of pre-planning the project. We have all the materials pulled and everything's ready. The guys are going to pull in here and they're going to set up their equipment, and then we're going to get started. So join us. So you've selected a contractor, made your window purchase, and you're excited, understandably excited. There's a little bit of a wait. The delay now is about 5 to 8 weeks for your new windows to be custom manufactured. So in the case of our direct ship manufacturers, they're in Ohio and Michigan. They've been in business forever. We'll place that order and they'll custom make that window to the exact size of the old window that came out of your home. Why that's important is because we want just the tiniest bit of gap around there so that we can make the window square so that it operates properly, and we can use the minimum amount of insulation that we need to fill that window in. On the day of your installation, Energy Pro is going to come out and we're going to move all of your furniture. We're going to remove all of your window treatments, mini blinds, shutters, plantation shutters, or draperies. All the furniture is going to be taken back. We're going to put tarps all around to protect it. On the outside, if there was some shrubbery or bushes in the way, we'll take a rope and pull all those bushes back to give access for our workers. They're going to take extreme care. This is a little bit of a unique situation. Most bay windows go all the way up to the top. On this particular application, you'll follow the project, you'll see how we expertly fill in this extra gap. And these are very common casement windows, probably a Peller or Anderson, so popular in Johnson County. But they're wood. Stay away from wood windows, whether you're building a new home or replacing them. Even if they're vinyl covered or aluminum covered, wood is eventually going to rot, and there's just no way to repair this kind of damage. You've got to replace the entire unit.